Sure, come on. Kama simthandile. Namaje. Come on, bheka. Then subscribe to Khalid Red Man. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, as you see the thumbnail, as you see the title, Gayi, which one the blind date. It's a double one, not just a blind. It's not a normal one. Wait, then. Today I'm finding one. If you find Shayam, I think show me or Kalu born the first time we born. I don't know. But first introduce Ubanja.
If available going out bengizoti eat your boy yabo mayilezinto zini ngikhathaza abo eat we don't do that here really out here yabo Ralph Savage bafethu in all streaming platforms ngithola ku Instagram or Facebook bengizothi WhatsApp
Please go and follow the rough one.
Yeah. It's all.
The rough one.
Yeah.
Okay, today we're fed to see. Ikothembisa. Ayo normally choma kara ichuna raitsa. Omela nganam usingila kakiri.
Sometimes
get depend 6-7.
Okay mina uthi amantombazana wangithathi serious yabo.
Ne but lalela ke. Yazi bangibitsa ka Dr. Love. I'm that guy, okay?
Ngiyakuthemba njani situations.
Lalela ngizokufixela manje. What is your type, Jaya?
Jaya ngibona uNkulunkulu mangathumela isilenda mfana.
Slender stable something.
Fine. Ngalibeka ithemba lami kuye yabona manje ngingathemba ukuthi yabona uNkulunkulu unamandla mfuthu silemba nyani iyacavela ingoma lesilenda idark tinto umntana omuhle ongena pimple muhle ngathi ngeke ngibona kule magazine yabo nama dimples umntana kumele azigqokele simple
Okay, umntana
slender nyani yabo.
Okay, slender.
So
yini ama reflex okay. Yini ama reflex ugel man I know something like nah that's a reflex.
Okay lo khonayo bafethu mina ngithanda ukulala ema-ugel ozokhona uzongikhathaza.
Over time.
No-ugel ozongicela imali yabona if serious uzongicela imali.
Please do not come okay.
Awangicela imali mfana relationship.
Okay.
Fera nje ngubudampe mara.
Yini ama reflex ngawo?
Red flag yami. Red flag yami bafethu mina ngithanda ukushova ba.
Yini ukushova wenza ama ushova?
Abaziyo ba
yini ukushova? I'm sorry.
Awuthi abazali bazobe babhekile. Ufuna bathi ngumbhebheni manje yabona manje.
Yo
afele mina ihamba phambili.
Shit kisilone nara.
Ihamba phambili.
Kushova.
Mina wangishovisa mfana.
That's red. Lela bafethu.
Anyways futhi ngiyilover boy yabo at the same time ngithanda ukuthanda ngine frostane ebhaya for amantombazana. Mara iza kucala yabo. Ngizokuthanda kanjani yabo?
Okay, wena ufuna ukushova. Ke ungakushovisi kakhulu yakubhora.
No hayi ngali entantana ngiyenze ya sound ngiyindlela.
Yeah, ngathi umshoveni.
Not like ngumshoveni like
but obviously mawujolo uzoshovesa ngithi.
Wena ungajola nejiji wena.
Yeah.
Ngihlanganise 4 years nejiji daba fethu.
Yeah, I think my longest relationship I was in the virgin, bro.
Nejiji outside.
Yeah.
Manje ngenzani benimunyana kuphela?
Now we're even kids, bro.
Oh shit, that's all I can say.
It's like, hey, hi, I love you.
Mina feeling out yasethembisa bo vele ngayiya.
Okay, man, what it? Right now, ngizobiza amantombazana. Okay, I have 2 girls for you, by the way.
Serious, I'll tell
2 girls for you. You're gonna choose, you understand? But when you have to leave, okay, you have to leave. You understand? You have to leave this episode. I want to make question mark. You never type.
Mfana, what if mina bangifuni? Mara hayi.
But you understand? Okay, let's just get into it, Prophet. Sure. Round 2. I'm banging one more face. Is it? Guitar stock. Guitar banyana bakothembisa. I don't know his stock again. I'm sorry if I can offend a guy's speed. But yeah, I'm banging one from Kupa. Okay.
Okay. Hey guys, this is Kitty Cutie.
Kitty Cutie?
Yes.
Oh wow, clock it. Like it for you, Gassan.
Hi Teddies. Give Miss T.
Oh, Teddies, give Miss T. Okay guys, today we go to blind date, right? Can sorry the guy handsome with tiaf, unali Carlo, unali chelete. One talokan. Can sorry the mood. One talokan. Good to mail, charm. Good to mail. Okay, what you need type in?
Toggle, I'll say tall, caramel, quiet.
Quiet. Oh, cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tall and quiet, you know. Okay, you need type yakasha.
Moto funny.
Be funny.
I cannot type ne. Mara o funny, yeah.
Just calm and collected. Okay. So, okay. Yini ama reflect wena. Yini reflect ngawe ka wena.
A cheetah. cheater. A
Hold on,
liar.
did you? Oh, hello.
Take it easy, dog.
Yini red flag ngawe?
Ngami.
Kawena, you know.
Red flag ngami.
Yeah, you know, I want to be like, okay, that's a red flag about me.
I don't have a red.
You don't have it. It's okay. It's okay to don't have a red. Do you have a red flag?
I do.
Okay, you know.
I get a did meet up.
Aska kopani. Aribu wen mara. Aska kopani.
Bulela fungu.
Arikopa. No, Arikopa. We don't do that. Okay. You know, reflecting funny and give like no.
Like I said, a cheater.
Cheater.
A liar. A person who always complains and giving explanations.
No, uli shashalazi. UFC, wana lili. Lili, wana kaska chunante. Skaba lili me man. I hate lili me men because they talk too much.
Yeah.
You know? Okay, you don't like those kind.
Yeah.
Okay. Chomwena.
Motos slap.
Skatapi, chomi, skatapi. Umvalo skatapi. Okay, muto skatapi.
What did she? I cannot do more than the chila now. I do not.
You don't. Okay, guys, in Ninja for fun. Ninja in life right now. Are you studying? Are you primary Ninja? Because you guys look
primary?
young.
No, we not look. We look young, yes, but we're not young.
Okay.
I'm done schooling.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like an unorganized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Usahlanganisa life in.
Yeah, now I might look young, Margekara military.
Okay. I like you, Chamala.
Come on.
Okay, you guys look young, but it's okay. Let's just get into the video, man. Okay, ngizocela guys ba igqoko zenu nizehlisa. Okay, hlisa isigqoko sakho lapha.
No.
Yeah, no. Hlisa isigqoko guy utlotla.
Sharp mos.
Yeah, usharp, uchomaka, usharp. Okay. Please, man, just kindly subscribe, man. Like the video. I know you're gonna like the video. Okay, guys say corner right now, right? Guy, how are you?
Angimnandi uthemba.
Mnando. Okay, bheka first wenza surrender for from now.
Sure.
Ki A o.
Oh, yona.
A.
Sure.
A. Ki B.
Ki B.
So mawufuna ubuza question uthi B or uthi A.
Oh.
Okay, ngizongaya maybe 2 minutes nyana kubani nazane, understand? Yeah, nibonde nibuza imibuzo. If anyone une question, guys, please A or B nimbuze. You understand? Uguy lo igama lakhe. Okay? No names, guys. No
No,
names.
you can call me Zeds, guys.
Daddy.
Okay, Zancy. Take the mic, Zeds.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
maybe 2 minutes nyana nazane. Now no questions ubuza.
Oh, sanibonani. Ninjani guys? Ngiyaphila. Uguy lona ne. Ningangibiza ngoguy for manje bafisa. Angikeri A and B. Nenzani niyakhuluma, niyabulela, niyathetha. Oh, yabonkiri. All right. Awena A.
Okay.
A kinga. But it's fine. Chomasile yabo. No, mina bafethu ngikhuliswe kahle ekhaya yabo. Like I believe vele ukuthi yonke into like ladies first. Umfazi kumele umfake phambili bafethu. Yabo, umfazi uza phambili so nina guys ayikho like into enifuna ukuyazi or enifuna ukuyibuza ke ngicale ngawe A wena.
Wena umugayi wathetha wakhuluma.
Ngiyakhuluma sister. Uyezwa mas. B wena.
So if I don't have a question.
Oh, mina bafethu ngine question e1 vele ehlezi ihlupha wonke ama out. Body count. Yabona body count for mina ibalulekile. From there sesinga decide ukuthi siya phambili siya move or kanjani. Body count yakhe ihleli kubani sis?
0.
Sister.
Nas yithi.
Umuntu ongcuna umazi, umfana ongcuna. B 1.
Yes.
Oh, so une experience. Oh, I sharp amara A chum.
Nas.
A chum. Why?
I could say Mara, a proud virgin.
Ne. Hey, Mara, sounds good to be true, Mara. I kitla uthemba because akijoli jo.
What was I needing? I'm not lying.
Ne. All right, so nina my questions, guys. Hey, wena.
When I so ever So far, nkile o joela batho ba ikae?
Na le na ke le vigi. Ke le tshitse. Kanti ti utsegang jo wa bona no.
Hey guys, nemibuzo mina.
Pi utsegang.
P nemibuzo.
Host wait a minute.
Sorry. Eish. Sangisejoza.
Pi cho mi kanti utsega eng jo.
No, like
Ke le tshitse jo. Elimhlo ang
I can tell you because like you can hear a voice of a person who have the experience. So yeah, maybe henka ubona because we don't judge people by its cover.
bafethu tshitse elimhlophe leli nihleli nalo bafethu bayazi. Bangangifakazela ama out yabo. So awuthamba bothini host.
Nemibuzo guys.
Sure.
Amantombazana right. Niyakhona ushare man. Niyakhona ukushare indoda.
That's a big no.
Eh?
It's a big no. Like in which way? Like we cousins, right? Then we can do the one person.
one guy.
As strangers or friends or cousins.
Nah, is friends or strangers. Strangers. Let's do strangers.
Nah, I don't think so. I don't share what's mine.
Okay.
Oh, so ufuna ngebo wakho kahle kahle.
No, we talking
No, like-
about sharing a person. I need to wear now. You can share.
Kuse South Africa ke la guys izomela nihlakaniphe fast.
So, but
Okay, another
Nah.
question naye. Ningajola nomfana broke. No, I'm asking. It's a question.
no. Now I'll say
Anginane imali yokubuyela emuva nje bangila.
it depends.
It depends. John.
Hi, guys. Okay, don't get me wrong, ne? I won't date a person who's broke, but I'll date a person who's hustling.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yabona wena P wena.
Hey, mara wena already.
And uchija kana right ukuthi yena akayifuni indoda ebroke ungasiki.
O bona nna. Ke nyaka motho ba le tšhelete ne, mara ke gope le tšhelete.
Oh just ngibe
If
nayo.
go ga ga ba gone mpha tšhelete, nka se tlo gopela moshimane tšhelete.
Ah wena P kana ngela.
This is
Zikuphiza
okay. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Uyangikhuthaza mara jo ungasakazi. Jo. Boring.
Not belong for the streets.
Last question. Okay. Now my question, want me to keep asking questions?
Ya ungabuza nje ayi ngoba mina mangizobuza.
Ngiyabona uba guys ninokuye.
Mina mangabuza ne-interview ngaphela.
Ama-body account wakho ke boy athini uzero kane.
Okwamanje
Okwamanje
nginethemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzothumela yabo.
Yeah.
Kubo bona labo sisengihleli nabo guys. Chomi kanti wena wawubalokhu uhleka kakhulu yangistress.
Hey boy, yini red flag yakho ngamantombazana?
Aish. Mina inkinga yami njami ngisanokunyamalala.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sanokungatholakala yabo.
Intombazana yini red flag ngayo?
Into mina engayithandi ngamantombazana. Ayi intombazana ebuhlabayo. Intombazana ebhema insangu. Ayikuyo yonke into engayenza nje amugelo obhema insangu nasi mfana ayi sorry for mina. Cabanga ndoda sanokuvuka ekseni uchera wakho uvuka ecala ndoda ungaphandle ushisa inkawu. Ndoda lapho sengubeni nokhiphisana kumtshela ntwana mayemele ezithola imali yokudla mfana una joko lamakota. Manje uyabona ndoda ayi chero obhemayo chero lokuzanayo obhema izolo. Hayi bafethu sorry bafethu hayi.
Okay.
No chero futhi unabangani abaningi babafana bafethu.
Yeah.
Buzani mina. Buzani mina I've been there amajita ndoda ayasakaza. Sakazela uchira kafika ndoda ukhona. Bathi acho mina ngomuntu wakho uyakufuna ngaphandle ndoda lapho ndoda bebasengubeni manje yabona. Ende mina ngiyadubulana guys so
So guys, yeah, angifuna senze best jovi because of feel like you guys are shaking. Don't shake. Don't shake.
mali ende khona nokuchibuku la.
Are you into chubuku?
Nokumqombothi.
Karitlela hlaya. Yini ukuhlala ukwenziwalani?
Ukleretlere.
Wariphaphela.
Oh. Hey, bese ngibe kusejosa hlala.
Nami Jose ngimangele ukuthi kwenziwa.
Okay, I feel like Hlala is a big name, okay?
Yeah.
Any question guys or nifuna ukubona?
Mara guys mina ngisakhuluma ngami guys mina bafethu yazi bafethu ngicela ningisize into. Ngaphuma la ngingena girlfriend. Anye ngisajola vele because ngiyasazi situation sami bafethu nginegwababa. No nginegwababa. Amantombazana nyawasaba Juyu nyawasaba so if maybe kungayenzeka ukuthi uCherry mangabi kulabo sisi boyi2 yabo abe out there baby ngicela uzongithola to before bangigrey.
Okay guys, I think it's time now ukuba nisuseni igco nivula amehlo nibonane and then I think
mangavula ngithola itype yami
uyashela uzoshuba uyishwane yiphi type yakho la between them.
oh sivule manje
Yeah,
ladies first babonane bona kucala
nabayazana bona lokho.
Shall we
Come on, boy.
Get it, 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 get it up, get it up, get it up, get it up, get it up.
Okay guys, okay.
Niggas know what the fuck going on.
First introduce ubani.
Dana yami
Shomi kupa umuzwe tsikima ngizola hawo.
Okay, give me T, my real name ke Khothatso,
uthatha ne
the comforter.
chumi ba comfortable relax
Be introduce yourself. Relax, why you tshwara manyana?
ngisakhona
Okay, mo na le Katie Cutie, but real name ke Khaorelo.
kusone siphongo
Okay. Ubani uthobani uKitty Kit.
Katie.
Oh, okay. Okay, oh, Kimang.
Katie cute
Kimithola hawo
no
Kimang.
from today ngiyatshintsha bafethi igama lami ne ngiye out yala mantombazane lawa ya bafethi ngibathanda boyi2 bafethi guys
Okay, now I have this question for Mamel. Wait. What's Twara Muna? Lalela, ufuna understand us. I have one question for Amantomazana, right? Rate the guy out of 10.
I would say 7.
7. Why though?
Are perfect, bafethu.
Yini ngekho perfect. Yini
Nalubuko.
unobuko kwenyana unobubi. Oh share maskisa. Sorry. Kupa rate out of 10.
yes
A solid and respectfully 4.
4. Why 4? Why 4 though?
He's just not there, man.
It's not him.
Yeah.
Akayona type. Okay. So, do you think ungamgaya chance life in?
Nah.
It's not your type. Okay. So, ungamgaya chance go life.
Yeah, clean.
Clean.
Drip ya fayona.
And uthena ufuna umfana ongagezi na. Utha unyaka umfana
Oh,
okahlala.
what did she? Oh, you're no school. No.
Oh, akasodi
I know
chill.
Hamunat.
Okamunathi, hey. Yeah? Oh, nice. Oh shit. Oh, ayo. Nah.
Niggas know what the fuck going on.
It's over. Okay.
angizile bathi mina
Okay, first
senemibono
ungithele abogera 10 kala ka A.
angizoqala ngo-B
Okay.
angijahanga isterutheni ngiyi-solid band 4
Yeah.
ungasho mara ama-reasons ukuthi wawusho kanjani 4
Yeah, 4. Because
Ungampost,
indaba ayingiphathi kahle le ndaba ayingiphathi kahle oh
no, it's not like you ugly and stuff. It's just you're not my type. Yeah.
oh ubuntu bami ne
Yeah. Like I said before, I'm feeling too quiet, but when you seem like you're forward, not in a bad way. Yeah.
sengibuze labo sisi out there bafethu nina ningayimela i-serious relationship abanganihleli nawo thi yakhona ubhekile
No, there'll be a time you go to like
yeah.
you be funny and stuff, but when it seems like you're there, you're out there, man.
no and yazi guys mina ngiso cause ngisebantwini
Ngiyabona na u-forward mshimano.
ngisebantwini
Akimnyaka lini.
mara hayi ngiyam-understand usister yabo
Iminyaka lini.
washo
But
kanje
but you yet so
No, yeah, 4 dog. It's
forward
okay
and
to be a
stuff,
4.
yeah.
It's okay to be fucking 4.
like what the fuck
And you are
like
okay.
dog afed yabo angeke ngibe vele
Right.
ngeke ngibe
Why
muhle
you
kini
fighting?
nonke wo
Awuschazi dog. Arunyaka. It's okay. Arunyaka wakho.
ngizongena i-hosting ngizongena i-hosting mara otherwise yabo asihold ama-grudges aba not bengifuna uku-understand ukuthi usister wathi ngiyi-4 yabo mara it's cool chomi ngiya-understand yabo wena chomi shema ntwana for ukuthi ungangimela yayithola uthe wena ufuna ugaya ufana ngisho ngifani sometimes kwezinye izinto yabo mara siyafika isikhathi sokuba serious uchomi ungijaje nge-appearance yabo ngizohamba nawe chomi ngingakunika at least 2.5.
Woo! What the fuck? Motherfucker, you better check your goddamn.
Yabo. Ukuthi ufavor Pirates
Because
hayi labafana bePirates
Forever here.
okay,
it's all-
rate
Nice, yeah.
2.5 mntwana yami yabo. Yeah.
one more yamzam.
I'm fine.
Why though? Why 2.5? Because of
Me-
the pirates.
No, yeah, mina Pirates ukuringe far. Hayi Pirates bafethu. So fairly Pirates. So fairly Pirates mara maybe singajola masingahlangana ngelinye ilanga singazani. Yabo?
Ungagqoka ngeskipa sepirate.
Angagqoka ngeskipa sePirates and ukhuluma kakhulu wena -4.
Ayini.
Hey, I know, man.
-4.
You replacing that 4 with a negative now.
-4.
No, brother. No.
Nginika -4.
Why for Kamlwela? Why for?
-4.
Why negative?
Akazazi izinto eziright elifini.
Akwazi amadanono.
Akazazi izinto eziright elifini yabo so.
Akatsibi.
Masingabantu asifani. Ngiyithola. So yeah chomi uzoba right yabo ku -4.
No, I'll be right because
Uzoba
like
crazy.
innovator who were very right. Not like something. That negative fall 22 F1.
400.
Sine right ukukhuluma yokukhuluma nje ngayi
Khuluma mbuda. Mata khuluma.
sister.
Sister.
Ndawa le video ngeke bavuma idlalo ku YouTube yabo. So
no,
I
it's
decided ukuthi singakhulumini izinto ezisnacks
Ungangeni
yabo.
kakhulu plus their match.
Ooh, 2020.
You're not noticing kanti.
This is it.
Now we host their memes.
No, got 34.
Mara.
Mara mawumbi manje sila.
Ku YouTube angeke bavume guys.
Get it, get it, get it,
Utale trauma.
Mara fethu nizwile bafethu yabo angimtholanga umuntu wami ngayi.
Okay,
So
but I still have question. Ungawari. Anyway, sikathaba ku12 fana.
awufuna bangihlasele.
No, kusawuthwere. Okay, lalela. Kunyaka uhlalo khaya. I want to understand something, you know. Now you guys, do you think ningamshare guy?
Okay. Or okay.
This
Wabuza
This
yiso
guy.
yazi
Yeah.
sizongena.
No, akachazi. Do you think wena ungamshare? Okay, do you think ungamguy chance again?
Chance. For unretile adajona jiwe.
Oh, urete 4.
Hayi ukuthi
Mara kuzomnika
At
chance.
least kimurile nyala kamoro papa. Yena papa. Wabona vela jew.
Uyawuzama. Adibhalanshi mina.
hayi ukuthi mubu sister bafethu Pirates.
Okay.
Mungano shwela kunabuthathu.
Yabona besides Pirates chomne ntwana.
Solid one. It's okay.
Athi ngithule. Ngizomrate kuma comments. Senizongratela yena.
Seniyongratela yena guys, okay.
Ngizongratela bona yabo.
So it's not a match.
Comments.
It's not you have to pick one. Which one ungampick at so you have to pick.
Angapika vele my biggest enemy.
Mara niyazi nichuthi. Mara nichuthi mara. Mara nichuthi. Yazi bachuthi mara. How do you feel about pickanga wena?
Fine.
It's okay with that?
Everything happens for a reason.
Angaba uma aunties are like backup yabo. Makakwatile lo sibalekela.
So but when you have to be a back room, you don't need to be in front because of
I'm not a spell.
but we spell we want to accept.
Pansharile letlamoni.
Wona uthini mara nguma wena niyafanelana.
Asazi.
This relationship is truth, yes. Ngiyayirata.
Sesizozwa ngama fan lapho ukuthi
Yeah.
I don't have a comment.
Wena uyiboni mara le
bafethu
ngibona.
ngithembeni nina bafethu vumando mntana.
Fetshani nakwasikini sami.
Bafethu mina ngiyibona le nto emphakathini.
Ne.
Chomi kupa buwa libona 2 minutes chomi. Ukatsa manje. Abawunyaki. No, abawunyaki, abaneminyaka boss. So ufuna understand something guys. I have 2 questions now.
Yeah.
So let's say manje ngigayi chance na kuma date ngiyazana ngeke kumenzele favor njalo mara.
Because there will be food. I can.
Oh ngihamba nami sister.
Yeah.
So vele ngifuna ukuchaza.
Asikuthaka kanchazi enemy yami, I will say my enemy.
Oh, this is enemy.
Yeah, enemies. Get me.
Okay.
All right.
Wow, this is nice, guys. So this is a match or it's not a match? Or a
Yeah,
match?
it's not a match.
Damn. I'm sorry, Njam. Thanks, sister. Unga-chief. Thanks, sister. Ngalebuka ne.
Mina ngiyakungibuza ukuthi ngihamba.
Na, ngizoringa.
Hayi
Dlula, sister. Dlula, it's okay.
Wawundlula fast.
It's okay.
Ufihla
How
isihlwa.
do you feel, Danam? How do you feel?
I feel it.
Because bengizamela wena ngizamele mara ntanami yokusole mina. Maybe next time ngizokuzamela abanye. But how do you feel manje bathi wena uyi4 awuchaza awuhlali lovely. You're not that guy.
Singokutshela nje uyacava ukuthi nemoto
ubonile wena or uzwe ngabo vele ubumuntu.
mina nje sometimes ngimobi mara yabona izinto ezikanje nje amazinjani
Zinjani?
ukubona nemoto ama exotic cars mali nje mina ndayadura ithola ngeke uthola iBugatti libi mara liyadura ayithola so yeah, I think our sister baluzile yabo
bajwayela ama-Toyota bawazi ababukhali
yabo phela ngeke ucomparitors neBugatti nje
bajwayela ama-Tesla sayibafuna izinto manje ezinice manje ezizophuka same time wena ngiyakubona ubuhle bakho ku-behind umuntu ku-front.
Get it,
dlala ngishukisa ngaba
Okay, perfect. Like, share, subscribe, man, and if you want more, just comment below, say more, you know.
ne
Share. Getore Raf. Please kindly follow this nigga right there.
ne
And more. Where's the one? Okay. I'm alright. Where's my piece?
amara nawe ntano mubi wena
Okay. Now you want to talk about ugliness? Now you want to talk about it's okay, you're fit. Out of here.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.